How to stop others from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat app on your phone. Now go ahead and take a snap by tapping on the shutter button. Now on the right hand side you can see the timer option, tap on it. As you do that, you will see the screen where if you put to no limits, people will be able to save your snaps, and if you put it to some seconds, they will not be able to save your snaps. They will only be able to see your snap for 2 seconds only. So all you have to do to stop other people from saving your snap on Snapchat is by keeping the timer. After that, you can send it to various people on Snapchat to continue your streaks. It works same to the videos as well. All you have to do is click the video by holding on to the shutter button, and then on the right hand side you can see timer option. You want to go ahead and tap on it and just don't put it to loop. And that is how you can stop others from saving your snaps on Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.